everyone, it's the Baking Diva here. Well, it's Wednesday Finds Day at Aldi's. It's December 17th. Only a few more days left till Christmas. Well, as I walked in, I saw these storage bins. Yes, they have quite a bit of them, and they're $8.99, and it says on there they are 66 quart. So something good to store away your Christmas decorations in. Yes, we got hit with some snow in New Jersey, so Aldi's is preparing us. These are 51-inch snow brooms for $9.99. It says on it they have a pivoting head brush, a telescopic handle with a 2-zone brush, and a 3-in-1 brush, squeegee, and scraper. So here we go. You're all ready for the snow. Here we have a 2-foot by 3-foot mega scraper mat. It's 24 inches by 36 inches. And it looks like they have a dark brown and a black, and they are $9.99. Well, it looks like they're preparing us for a very cold winter. This is a 7-in-1 car emergency power tool for $9.99. I see black and I see an orange. It says it's a combination of a car charger, a power bank, a flashlight, warning light flasher, and what's the other one say? Oh, I think it says something about, let me look. Safety hammer to break the glass. It's a bottle opener, a magnetic cap for hands-free use, and a seatbelt cutter. Well, I would say that would come in handy for any emergency you might have. For $5.99, here's Burt's Bees. These are cute. They make a little nice stocking stuffer. It says a bit of Burt's Bees, and they have the stick in there for your lips, and they have a salve in there, it says, for your hands. Great stocking stuffers. Here we have some clip-on Bluetooth speakers, and I see like a navy, a black, and a purple, and those are $14.99. Hard to see with the glare. For $9.99, you can get either a standard or a jumbo frost and snow windshield protector. So they have plenty of those in. Looks like they have a few left of the 3-in-1 wireless chargers. And it says they're foldable wireless chargers, 3-in-1 for $14.99. Lots of 3-packs of Sponge Daddies, and those are $3.99 for the 3-pack. Next to the Sponge Daddies, they have Scrub Daddy Clean Boost, and they are $4.99, all-purpose cleaning cream. Here they have some dish drying racks by Easy Home, and it says they feature a slotted section to store utensils upright, and those are $7.99. It looks like they're right on the ball. They're getting us ready to do all our cleaning in the beginning of the year. These are cordless electric spin scrubbers. I can't get them down because they're up way high, but they are $19.99. And right next door to them are handheld steam cleaners, and those are $19.99. Down here are different color. They are absorb mats, and they are 18 by 30 inches, and they are $6.99. Looks like they have a black and a brown. This looks like a good buy. This is a 2-in-1 corded pet stick vacuum. And it says on here it has a HEPA filter. And it's good for carpets and hardwood floors. There's a 14-foot power cord. There's 4 accessories included. And it converts also to a handheld one. And I believe it says it's a maximum of 600 watts. And that's $29.99. Here's Kirkton House utility runners. They're 2 foot by 6 foot. They're $9.99. And you can see on the box the different designs and prints they come in. I see a tan. There's gray. I see, looks like a navy and white polka dot back there. And over there, it looks like there's some paisley prints. So you have your choice of those for $9.99. Here we have a reversible feather soft throws. And you can see the designs they come in. There's like a gray and white. There's a brown and white. I see a blue, like a navy and white. And let me see the size on these. Hold on. What does it say? Oh, they are 60 by 70 inch. They're reversible. Soft plush material and a stylish design. So they are $14.99. Boy, I could surely use this. This is the Diamond Series heated neck and shoulder massager. And it's a soothing heat, touch control. And I only see black, but there might be some more colors in the back. And those are $19.99. Hard for me to get in here behind the pole, but next to the neck and shoulder massagers are the Diamond Series heated foot massagers, and they are also $19.99. This is a rectangular storage ottoman. You can see the dimensions on there, and it looks like I only see, no, it looks like there's a beige, maybe a gray, and I see a black over here. And those are $19.99. It says ideal for storing and organizing your toys, blankets, books, and daily accessories. It says it has a tucked lid that provides comfort and style for any room in the house. And it easily unfolds for quick setup. No tools required. And the soft and supportive foam cushion holds up to 240-pound maximum weight, and it has an anti-slip base. So those are pretty good for $19.99. Here are door insulators, and it looks like they come in a variety of colors. They're $4.99. I see gray with snowflakes. I see a gray and white check. I see brown and white check. I see a solid cream color. There's quite a few in there, and they are $4.99. Down here are different color. They are absorb mats, and they are 18 by 30 inches, and they are $6.99. Looks like they have a black and a brown. I'm not sure, but I thought I saw these in here last week. Maybe not. They're twin or full-size flannel sheets. And these have a Christmas design on them with little snowmen. And those are $14.99 for the set. These are sets of 3 storage baskets. I don't see the size, but they're not large. And those are $6.99 for the set of 3. And it looks like they have black and green. Here's your choice of New Year's Eve party kits. One looks like it's all gold, and it looks like you get 4 hats and blowers and beads in it. And then there's one that says it's a holographic rainbow theme. So you have your choice here for $14.99. Here's some down alternative comforters. Looks like they have king, and then I see full and queen here. And they are, let me see if I can find the price for you. Hold on. $19.99. Here are 2 packs of large storage cubes. They have them in green with like snowflakes or a solid red. And those are great for storing all your Christmas items in. And those are $9.99. And these are storage bags for your wrapping paper and your ribbons. Or you can put ornaments in here also. It says ornament or wrap storage. They have, it looks like 2 different kinds. If you look on the box, looks like one for ornaments and one for your wrapping paper. And those are $9.99 each. Here are wreath storage bags. They look like, I think they come in red and green, and they are $4.99 each. I may have to pick up one of those. It looks like they still have left over from last week, men's and ladies' memory foam slippers, and they are $8.99. I see a pair of the ladies back here. Maybe I can get them and I can show to you. Wait a minute. There you go. That's a pair of the gray ladies. And they're $8.99. Looks like they did replenish some of their candy in the Christmas candy aisle. These are the sour gummy or marshmallow tins for $4.99. For $4.49 a bag. Looks like they have quite a few of these left. These are the milk chocolate figurines. They're hollow and filled. And there's like balls in there and ornaments and a Santa. So, there you go. It looks like they still have some of these continental cookie assortments by Benton's. And those are $7.99 for the box, a selection of various chocolate cookies and wafers. Here's fudge covered Ritz crackers. I bought these in here a few weeks ago, but nobody's allowed to touch them at my house. I'm saving them for Christmas, but they look yummy, and I like Ritz crackers, so they're $4.79 a box. Here are bags of potato sticks. Authentic German food. These are hash brown style, and then they have an herb style. It says herbs of the Alps, and those are $1.79 a bag. Here they have coconut spritz shortbread cookies, almond spritz, or the other one is vanilla spritz. And they are $3.49 a box. Looks like they have lots of the pub mix left. A savory and crunchy snack mix. And those are $6.97 for the container. Here are pasta nets. 100% Italian durum wheat semolina. Tagliatella, I think that's how you say it. And those are $2.99 for the box. Here's gingerbread sandwich cookies. They look good. With cream cheese filling. And they're $4.29 for the container. They have apple strudel here. You get 2 of them in the box. Delicious traditional German flake puff pastries filled with apples, raisins, and a touch of cinnamon. And those are $3.29 for the box of 2. They have the 16-ounce premium 12-ounce shrimp. They're frozen and they come with a sauce. And the cocktail shrimp are $10.99. Or they have lobster tails here. Contains 2 4-ounce tails, and those are $12.99. Both are frozen. So that brings us to the end. If I don't see you before Christmas, I want to wish you all a very, very Merry Christmas. I appreciate each and every one of you. And if you enjoyed these little ALDI Finds videos, give me a thumbs up, make a comment, and if you haven't already subscribed, smash that subscribe button. I'd love to have you. So I will see you all soon. Love you. Toodles!